Unlock the full potential of your real estate investments with a professional ARV appraisal from Certified Appraisal Professionals. Since 2006, we have been the trusted choice for investors across South New Jersey and Southeastern Pennsylvania, providing accurate, reliable valuations for single-family homes, multifamily units, condos, and townhouses. Our certified and insured team leverages the latest technology to deliver precise after-repair value assessments, giving you the confidence to make informed decisions. Whether you're flipping homes or investing in rental properties, knowing the true potential of your asset is crucial. With nearly 2 decades of experience, we understand the unique needs of real estate investors and are committed to helping you maximize your returns. Don't leave your investment's value to chance. Call Certified Appraisal Professionals today to schedule your ARV appraisal and take the next step toward a profitable investment.